The most advanced bending and cutting technology is here. Introducing the new CNC U-bend cutting machine, designed for precision, automation, and industrial efficiency. The CNC U-bend cutting machine represents the latest innovation in combined bending and cutting technology. It enables precise U-shaped bending and cutting on metal tubes in one integrated process. Powered by CNC control, the entire process is fully automated. From feeding to bending and cutting, every step is precisely controlled by the system. The machine ensures accurate bending angles and smooth surface finishes, meeting strict requirements for industrial tube processing. Cutting performance is precise, repeatable, and consistent, ideal for batch production where accuracy must remain the same from the first piece to the last. By combining bending and cutting into one CNC-controlled operation, the machine significantly improves production efficiency and reduces processing time. This CNC U-bend cutting machine is suitable for a wide range of industries, including HVAC, automotive components, heat exchangers, and metal fabrication. If you are looking for a reliable solution for precise U-bending and cutting, follow BOBO Machinery to see how advanced CNC technology turns precision into productivity. Let's build smarter tube processing solutions together.